Hi, I'm Erin Zettle. I'm a family literacy board member and a licensed attorney in the state of Michigan. I practice mostly criminal law, and we're creating these informational videos to help inform our students about certain legal issues. This legal advice is general advice. It isn't addressing any specific legal problem. It's also valid as of March of 2024. Laws change all the time. Specifically today, I want to talk about shoplifting. So, shoplifting is a pretty common crime. It's one of the most common misdemeanors that clients come into my office having been charged with. And most people think, well, now with these self-checkouts, it's much easier to steal. And you'd be right, except you'd be completely wrong. There are approximately 8 cameras that are capturing every move that you make when you go through those self-checkout lines. And I know this because when my clients get charged with shoplifting, I get the video from each one of those 8 cameras. So, when you get charged with shoplifting, you're charged with something called retail fraud. If it's under $200, it'll be in the 3rd degree. If it's over $200 but less than $1,000, be in the 2nd degree. Those are both misdemeanor charges, but they are theft crimes. And basically what would happen is you get charged with the crime, it's sent to the prosecutor's office, you have to show up to court, and the fines and penalties can be up to 5 times the amount of what you stole. But more than that, there's fines, there's costs, there's probation, there's everything else. So I've seen it all. I've seen people pick up small items and put them underneath large items and try to scan them. I've seen people push things past scanners with the barcodes hidden. Anything that you think you might be able to do to get past those scanners, trust me, they've thought of it too, and you can't get past it. Luckily, for most shoplifting charges, there's a delay and dismiss where you can plead guilty, go on probation, keep out of trouble for a little while, and they'll dismiss the charge, at least for the first time that you get charged. But just keep in mind that if you're trying to steal that $68 pair of shoes, it's going to end up costing you approximately $750 in fines, costs, probation, and you could potentially end up with a theft crime on your record. So just don't. Wrapping up, here's another standard lawyer disclaimer. This isn't specific legal advice. If you have a legal problem, please consult an attorney. A lot of lawyers have free consultations.